Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Volvo S60 engine oil. First, always ensure your car is parked on a completely flat, level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. For the most precise measurement, check the oil when the engine is cold. If the engine has been running, wait at least 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to drain back into the oil pan. Have a clean rag or paper towel ready. Now open your Volvo's hood. Look for the engine oil dipstick, which is typically marked with a bright color like yellow or orange for easy identification. Carefully pull the dipstick straight out of its tube. Take your clean rag or paper towel and thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the dipstick. This step ensures you get a clear and accurate reading on your next attempt. Once the dipstick is clean, reinsert it fully into its tube. Make sure it's seated all the way down to get a true measurement. Wait for just a few seconds, then pull the dipstick out once more. Now, carefully observe the oil level. You'll see two marks, usually indicating minimum and maximum levels. The oil film should be visible between these 2 points. Ideally, your oil level should be close to the maximum mark, but never above it. If the oil is below the minimum mark, you need to add some. Use the recommended full synthetic engine oil for your Volvo S60. Add a small amount, perhaps 1/2 quart at a time, then recheck the level. Overfilling can cause engine damage, so add slowly and carefully. Remember, some newer S60 models use an electronic oil level check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.